Today I'm going to start chapter number 6, exercise 6.1. Question number 1. In triangle PQR, D is the midpoint of QR. And here we have to tell what is PM, okay, then PD, and what is the relation between QM is equals and we have to tell is QM equals to MR or not. So once again I'm going to tell you in triangle PQR, D is the midpoint. See, this is triangle PQR. Triangle PQR, in which we have given this D is the midpoint. Okay, D is the midpoint of QR. Okay, so this is the line of QR where D is the point which is a midpoint. So what does it mean? It means that the line QD is equals to DR. Why? Because D is the midpoint. Now they were asking if D is the midpoint, then what is PM and what is PD? So here we can see that at PM, first we are going to solve this PM. At PM, here we have a little box. Yes or no? There we have a little box. So this box denotes to 90 degree, and 90 degree I told you what is it? That is altitude. If we have a 90 degree, that is known as altitude, or you can say height. So this PM is what? Altitude. And whereas if we talk about PD, this is a line who touches to the midpoint, from the vertex to the midpoint of opposite side. That line is known as median. Now it is asking is QM equals to MR. I told you D is the midpoint. So QD is equals to DR, not QM equals to MR, because M is not a midpoint. That's why answer is here no. So beta, for this you should know the definition of all. What is the definition of altitude? Altitude is the line who join the vertex of a triangle to the perpendicular on another side. Whereas we talk about median, median is the line who joins the vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of another side. Okay. So these two definitions I already explained you in my previous video of the explanation of chapter number 6. Now next question. Question number 2. Draw a rough sketch to show the following sketches. In triangle ABC, B is a midpoint. In triangle ABC, B is a midpoint. So what you need to do? First, you simple make a triangle. Okay. First, you can make a simple triangle. Like this, you can create. Okay. After creating a triangle, what do you need to mention here? PQ. This you will take as P. This you will take as A, B, C. This is A, B, and C. And you have to draw B is the median. So you have to draw a midpoint here on this line. See, like this. A, B, C, and here you have drawn a midpoint. How you will draw? While measuring it. First you measure AC and choose the midpoint of it. Understood? Now second. In triangle PQR, PQ and P are altitudes of the triangle. In triangle PQR, PQ and PR are altitudes of the triangle. So first what we need to do? Here you can see that we have two altitudes. First you can draw PQR like this. Here you will draw 90-degree angle. Why? Because we have two altitudes. So PQ and PR both are altitudes, means both belongs to the 90-degree. So only such kind of triangle, I means right angle triangle, belongs to such kind of triangle. Now next is in triangle XYZ, YL is altitude in the exterior of a triangle. In triangle XYZ, YL is an altitude in the exterior of the triangle. So here we need to draw a triangle like this. Okay, or you can say we have to draw an obtuse angle triangle in such case. Okay, after that what you need to do? You have to draw an altitude from this side. Okay, so that is our solution. XYZ and L is altitude. This is what YL is an altitude whose line exterior of the triangle XYZ. I hope you understood all these two questions. Now I'm going to start question number 3. Verify by drawing a diagram if the median and altitude of a isosceles triangle be same. Verify by drawing if the median and altitude of an isosceles triangle can be same. So this is the drawing. First here you have to need to draw an isosceles triangle. Okay, what you need to draw? Isosceles triangle. Then afterward you have to make a midpoint of the BC. How you will draw this? First you draw BC, then choose the midpoint. Suppose if you are drawing BC of 4 centimeter, then the half of 4 centimeter is what? 2 centimeter. So mark a point B on 2 centimeter. All this thing you have to draw with ruler. Okay, ruler means scale. After that, draw a line from the vertex, which is also, you will notice that, which is also a perpendicular. So here you can verify like this. So what step you need to follow? Draw a line segment ED perpendicular to BC. It is an altitude for this triangle. It can be observed that the length of BD and DC is also same. Therefore, AD is also a median of a. Now question number 4. These are very easy questions. I already explained you some questions like this in the explanation of notes. Here we can see that we have angles on the outside of this triangle, which is also known as exterior of a triangle. 1, 2, 3. So by this you can understand here we are going to use exterior angle property. Which property? Here you can see exterior angle x. So for the calculating exterior angle you can use exterior angle property. So what is exterior angle property? Exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of their opposite interior angle. What is exterior angle property? Exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of their opposite interior angle. So here, what is the value of x? The value of x is equal to the sum of 50 and 70. So x equals to what? X equals to 50 plus 70 equals to 120. Reason? Exterior angle property of triangle. Same as here, x equals to what? 65 plus 45, which is equals to 110 degree. Here x equals to 70 degree. Okay. Here x equals to what? 120 degree. Here x equals to 100 degree. And here x equals to 90 degree. So all these solutions you have to do like this. X equals to 50 plus 70. Reason? Exterior angle theorem, or you can write external property. Then you have to write the answers like this. Okay. Now I'll do the remaining part by ownself. I'm not going to this. Not going to show solution of all these questions. I already explained you how you have to do it. Now question number 5. Find the value of unknown interior angle x in the following figures. Here we need to find the value of unknown interior angles. Okay. Here also we are going to use exterior angle property, but in case we have given exterior angle and we have not given one interior angle. So what you will do for this condition? You just simply subtracting the exterior angle with one of interior angle. So in all these questions, what we will do is subtract 115 with 50, and here 100 with 70, here 125 with which? What is the meaning of this square box? 90 degree. 125 with 90, 120 with 60, and 80 minus 30, and 75 minus 35 to calculate the unknown angle. So here you have solution. We know that x plus 50 equals to 115 degree. Reason exterior angle property of a triangle. So to calculate the missing angle, so you need to transpose 50 to the right hand side. Okay, so what is the value? X equals to 115 minus 50 degree, which is equals to 65 degree. Like this, you have to solve the remaining questions. Same method you have to follow. First, you will write the interior angles. Like here, we have written 70 plus x, and then equals to, okay, then exterior angle, and write in the bracket the reason why we have written like this. Reason is exterior angle theorem or exterior angle property. Then afterward you know how to solve. You will write the variable at the left hand side, and you will take the constant number to the right hand side by transposition. We have done such kind of questions in chapter number 4, simple equations. So 100 minus 70 equals to what? 30 degree. Simple. Now question number 6. Find the value of unknown angle x in the following diagram. In all this figure we can see that here we don't have any exterior angle. We have given only interior angles. So in the last class, in explanation part, I told you one more property about of triangles, that is known as angle sum property, which states that the sum of all interior angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degree. Sum of all interior angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degree. So here x plus 50 plus 60 is equals to 180 degree. Yes or no? Like this here, x plus this is 90 plus 30 equals to 130 degree. Here 30 10 plus x 180 degree. X plus 50 plus x equals to 180 degree. X plus x plus x 180 degree. X plus 2x plus 90 equals to 180 degree. Okay. See the first you try like this. The sum of all interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. What is the reason behind it? By using this property, this problem can be solved as follows. X plus 50 plus 60, okay, is equals to 180 degree. What is the reason behind it? Sum of all interior angle of a triangle is 180 degree, which is known as angle sum property of triangle. So after that, we have to solve this equation, and we know that how to solve it. First we will add constant number. What are constant number here? 50 and 60 are constant number, and x is what? Variable. So 50 plus 60 equals to 110, and x remain as it is. Okay. Then afterward, what we will do? We will transpose 110 to the another side. So x equals to what? 180 minus 110, which is equals to 70 degree. Okay, like this we have to do this question and this question. Now I'm going to start question number 4, I mean fourth part of this question. 50 plus x plus x, we can see that 50 x and x. Here we have one, two, three angles, and two angles we have not given, which is x and x. So here 50 plus x equals to 180 degree. So 50 plus 2x equals to 180. So here we can see that 50 is a constant number which we can shift to the right hand side by transposition. Okay, and as it is in positive in the left hand side, so when it will go to the right hand side, it will becomes negative. So here we put minus 50. Okay, so 2x equals to 180 minus 50 equals to 130. Now 2x means 2 multiply by x, and we know that the opposite of multiply will be divide. So here we will do division. So x equals to 130 upon 2, which is equal to 65 degree. Okay. Now question number 5. In fifth part we have x x x. That means we don't have given any angle, and it is also given all three angles are equal. So x plus x equals to 180 degree. The reason is the same, angle sum property of a triangle. So x plus x is what? It is equals to 3x. 1x plus 1x plus 1x, that is equals to 3x. So similarly 3x equals to 180 degree. As like above, 3 will goes to the denominator. So 180 upon 3 equals to what? 60 degree. Sixth part. The question is x plus 2x plus 90. Okay. So here we will add x plus 2x because these two are variables and this is constant. Okay. So x plus 2x equals to what? 1x and 2x, that is equal to 3x plus 90, and this 90 will go to the right hand side with 180 degree. 3x equals to 180 minus 90, which is equals to 90, and as like above here 3 is with variable, so 3 will take to the denominator of this number. So 3 x equals to 90 upon 3, which is equals to 30 degree. Now question number 7. Find the value of unknown x and y in the following diagrams. So here we can see that we to calculate 50x y 120. Okay, in the first case, for calculating the value of x, what we can do here, we can use exterior angle property. Why? Because we have an exterior angle which is 180 degree, and we need to calculate one interior angle which is opposite to y. Yes, so first we will use exterior angle property to calculate x. So what is the value? X equals to 180 minus 50, sorry 120 minus 50, which is equals to 70 degree. And for calculating the value of y, we can use either angle sum property of triangle, or we can use linear pair. Okay, see the solution. Y plus 180 degree equals to linear pair. Here we have the value 60 degree. Okay, second, by using exterior angle sum property, we can calculate like this. So there are so many ways to calculate such kind of questions. Now in the second, for calculating y, we should use vertically opposite angle. See this line, we have x here, and we know that in x we use vertically opposite angle. So this is one cross and this is second cross. That's why they here we have formed vertically opposite angles in the intersection of these two lines. So 80 equals to y. Reason vertically opposite angle. As we get here the value of y, so we can use angle sum property. Okay. See the solution. Y equals to 80 degree vertically opposite angle. I already told you. Then y plus x plus 50 equals to 180, which is angle sum property of a triangle. Okay. So 80 plus x. You know how to solve this. You will get the answer 50 degree. Now the third figure. Here also you can do the same like this. First you can calculate the value of y with the angle sum property of a triangle, or you can calculate the value of x with the exterior angle property of a triangle, and then you can solve by a linear pair. Okay. See third, y plus 50 plus 60 equals to 180 degree, which is angle sum property of a triangle. So y equals to 180 minus 60 minus 50, which is equals to 70 degree. So x plus y equals to 180 degree. With the linear pair you can solve like this. Okay. Now see the next figure. Here we can do like second. Here we have vertically opposite angle because of this cross line. Okay. So this is 60 degree. Then we can solve by angle sum property of triangle. So you can solve this question by yourself. Now fifth part. Here also we have vertically opposite angle because of this cross line. Okay. Whenever you see the line like this cross, so there we can use vertically opposite angle. So the value of y equals to 90 degree, and the remaining two angle, which is x we have to calculate. So how you can solve? Y equals to 90, reason vertically opposite angles. So x plus y equals to 180 degree, angle sum property. We already know this. The sum of all interior angles is equals to 180 degree. So x plus x equals to 2x plus y equals to 180 degree. And we already calculated the value of y, which is 90 degree. So 2x plus 90 equals to 180 degree. So 2x equals to 180 minus 90, which is equals to 90 degree. And as we have solved above, when we have variable and a constant together, so the constant number will go to the denominator. So x equals to 90 upon 2, which is equals to 45 degree. Okay, see this carefully. Now sixth, here we have three angles which can be equals to vertically opposite angle. Yes, no? This one, and this one. So first, this will equals to x. This will also equals to x, and this y is also equals to x. And here the question goes like this. Okay, x. So each answer will be equals to 60 degree. Let's see the solution. Take a, b, and we have given y. So all angle is equals to x with the help of vertically opposite angle. So like above, I already solved such kind of questions. X plus x plus x 180 degree, 3x equals to 180 degree, and the value is equals to 60 degree. Question number 8. Is it possible to have a triangle with the following side: 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 3, 6, 7, 6, 3, 2? We have to tell. So in such kind of question, we will use triangle inequality property. What is triangle inequality property? The sum of two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. So while adding, if the two sides of a triangle is greater than third side in all three conditions, then the sides are given of a triangle, otherwise they are not the side of a triangle. Like this you can see here, when we are going to add 2 centimeter and 3 centimeter, the sum of 2 and 3 is equals to 5. What? 2 plus 3 equals to 5, which is not greater than third side. What is third side here? 5 centimeter, which is equal. This they are equal. That's why first one is not possible. Whereas if we talk about the second, 3 plus 6 is what? 9, which is greater than the third side. Now 6 plus 7 is equals to what? 13, which is greater than third side. 3 plus 7 equals to what? 10, which is greater than the third side 6. So second one is yes. So here in this case 6 plus 3 9, which is greater than 2, yes. Then 3 plus 2 5, which is not greater than the third side. So third one is also not a side of a triangle. See the solution, how you have to write in your copies. In a triangle, the sum of the length of either two sides is always greater than the third side. Given that the sides of a triangle are 2 cm, 3 cm, 5 cm, it can be observed that 2 plus 3 plus equals to 5. However, 5 cm is equal to 5 cm. This is not possible. So beta, if you have any doubt on the wording, what you can do, you can listen again and again till that you not get what I said. Okay, you can rewind it and play it again. Okay, now see the second. Given that the side of a triangle 3 plus 6 7, so 3 plus 6 equals to 9, which is greater than the 7. I already told you 3 plus 6, which is greater than 7. In the second condition, 6 plus 7, which is greater than 3. In third, 3 plus 7, which is greater 10, which is greater than 6 centimeter. Yes or no? So in all the conditions, the third side is lesser than the sum. And that's why it is possible. Now the last one, 6 plus 3, 9, which is greater than 2. Yes, 3 plus 2, 5, which is greater than 6. That is not possible. Okay, because it is lesser, not greater. Question number 9. Take any point P on the interior side of a triangle PQR. Now we have to tell, is OP OQ is greater than PQ, OQ OR is greater than QR, OR and OP is greater than RP. Okay, now see what you need to do after this. Draw lines. First take any point, then draw line from the vertex. Now you have to see OP plus OQ. OP, this is OP, then OQ is definitely greater than PQ. Yes or no? Yes, because this is triangle. Yes or no? OP plus OQ is definitely greater than PQ because OPQ is a triangle. I am talking about this one. OPQ is a triangle. So we know that with the help of triangle inequality property, the sum of two sides of a triangle is greater than the third one. So two sides are OP and OQ, and the third side is what? PQ in triangle OPQ. That's why the first condition is true. Second, OQ plus OR. OQ plus OR. It is again triangle. I'm talking about now about this triangle. Okay. So here we have two sides, OQ plus OR is greater than QR definitely. Now the third one is also a triangle, POR, whereas PO plus OR equals to is greater than PR, or you can say RP. All these are true because of triangle inequality property. So how you have to write in your copy? If O is a point in the interior of a triangle given, then the three triangles triangle OPQ, OQR and ORP can be constructed. Okay, I already mentioned here these three triangles. In a triangle, the sum of the length of either two sides is always greater than the third side. This is the property, we know that. We have studied about it. So first condition is yes, because triangle OPQ is a triangle with side OP, OQ and PQ, and OP plus OQ is definitely greater than PQ. Same as second, triangle OQR is a triangle with the side OR, OQ and QR, whereas OQ plus OR is greater than QR. Same as third. Okay. For this, you are very keen to the observation. Okay. You have to notice what are the triangles given. So here basically we have three triangles. First triangle, this second one, and this one is third triangle. Three triangles we have in this question. So based on this, by using triangle inequality properties, we can prove this. Now question number 10. AM is a median of a triangle. If AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2AM. So here we have solution. AM is a triangle. So AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2AM. We have to prove this. So first, here also we are going to take the triangle. First we will take the triangle ABM. Which triangle? ABM. So in triangle ABM, AB plus BM is greater than AM. Yes or no? AB plus BM is greater than AM. Reason? Triangle inequality property. Similarly in ACM, AC plus CM is greater than AM. Now you need to add these two. Which two? This one and this one. Now you have a question, sir. We can add numbers, but how we can add AB plus AC? So better, what you need to do? Just only show we are adding it. Okay. So first is AB, second is AC. So here we need to we have AB, AC. Now from where we will get BC? So after adding it, we will get here AB plus BM plus MC plus AC is greater than AM plus AM. Okay, AB plus BM. So first two are this. Then AC plus CM. Second two are this. Is greater than. First AM here. Second equation AM is here. Understand? Right. AB plus BM. Then AC plus CM. Okay. In after that greater than sign AM plus AM. Now we have AB. Now from where we will get BC? Now see, while adding it, which while adding BM and CM, what is BM? BM is this, okay, and what is CM? CM is this. Together, what it forms? Together it forms BC. So the sum of BM and CM is what? BC. That's why in place of BM and CM we have written here BC. Okay, understand? And AM plus AM is what? 2AM. So this given expression is true. Question number 11. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Now we have to say that AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD. Now what is AB? This is AB, this is BC, this is CD, and this is AC. Sorry, AC. AB plus BC plus CD plus DA are what? AB plus BC plus CD DA are the sides of a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral are polygons which contain four sides. Whereas if we talk about AC and BD, what is AC? This is AC and this is BD. So AC and BD are diagonals of a quadrilateral. So it states that the sum of all four sides of a triangle is greater than the sum of their diagonals. We have to show this. So how you can do this? In a triangle, the sum of the length of either two sides of a triangle is greater than third side. Same property we will use here. What is the name of this property? Triangle inequality property. The sum of the length of either two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. I'm repeating this property again and again because this is very important. In ninth class also you will study about this property. So considering AB plus BC. So here we are going to divide this quadrilateral in different triangles. So first we are taking which triangle? Let me show you. AB and BC. Okay, these are the two sides of a triangle. So what is the third side of this triangle? The third side is CA. The sum of AB plus BC is greater than CA. Okay, then in triangle BCD, BC plus CD, BC plus CD is greater than BD. Then in triangle CDA, which is CDA, CDA is this triangle. Okay, CD plus DA is greater than AC. Then in next in triangle ADB, AD plus AB is greater than BD. So like this you have to arrange this equation. Then you have to add AB plus BC plus CD plus DA plus DA plus AB. You know how to add while writing AB BC, BCCD, CDDA and DAAB at left hand side. Then CA, DB, AC and DB at right hand side of greater than sign. So we have here two ABs. I'm going to show you one AB, second AB. So the answer is 2AB. Then we have two BC, BC and BC. So BC plus BC, 2BC. Then we have two CDs, CD plus CD, 2CD. Then we have two DAs, so 2DA. Similarly here we have two AC, so answer is 2AC and 2BD. Take two common here, so we will have two here, and take two common here, so here we have two, and this two and this two will be cut. So after that we will have AB plus BC plus CD plus DA equals to greater than, sorry, is greater than AC plus BD. So the equation is true. Now question number 12. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is lesser than 2AC plus BD. It states that the sum of all four sides of a triangle is lesser than twice the sum of their diagonals. Okay, so here we will consider the triangles like this. OB plus OC is lesser than DC. Then OB plus OC is lesser than BC. Then OC plus OD is lesser than DC. OD plus OA is lesser than DA, and OA and OB is lesser than AB. Okay. And then afterward we will add all these equations. After adding it, you will get the answer like this. So see, you have to try this question. After 2 minutes I will catch you. So here see, first we will take OAB. What is OAB? This OAB. AO plus OB, AB. This you understand, I hope. I hope it's so better you understand this. Why? Triangle inequality property. The sum of two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Okay. So in OAB, OA plus OB is greater than AB. You have to arrange like this. Two parts of diagonals and another one of the side. Similarly, in OBC. OBC is which? OBC. OB plus OC is greater than BC. Then OCD. Then ODA. After writing this, you have to add OBOC, OAOB. OAOB is here. OBOC is here. Then OCOD is here. And ODDA is ODOA is here. Then AB, BC, CD, DA. Now see what we have here. Here we have OA and OA. Here we have two OAs first and second, which is equals to 2 OA. Then we have two OBs, which is equals to 2 AOB. Then we have 2 OC, where their sum equals 2 OC. Then we have two ODs. O sum is here, 2 OD. Then AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Now take 2 common. Okay. Now see, here we can see one thing. What is OA plus OC? This is OA and this is OC. OA plus OC is equals to AC. So add OA and OC. Similarly, OB and OD. This is OD and this is OB. The sum of OB and OD is what? BD. So add these two. So 2A plus 2OC, the sum is equals to 2AC. I already told you OA plus OC is what? AC. And OB plus OD is what? BD. Yes or no? Then take 2 common. We will have here 2AC plus BD is greater than AB, BC plus BD and DA. So the equation is true. Now question number 13. The length of two sides of a triangle are 12 and 15 centimeter. Between what two measures should be the length of the third side fall? So here you have to write the statement. In a triangle, the sum of the length of either two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Okay, you already know this. Also, the difference of the length of either two sides is always lesser than the third side. So in the first case, what we will do? We will do addition, which is 27. In the second case, we will subtract it, which is equals to 3. Therefore, the two measures are 27 and 3 centimeters. Okay. So between 27 and 3, third side will be 4. Remember this. What is the property? The sum of two sides of a triangle is greater than third side and lesser than the difference of the length is lesser than the third side. Okay. These two things you have to remember to solve the questions like this. Now next. Question number 14, which is the part of the another exercise, we will solve in the next class. Okay. That's all for the today. Thank you and have a nice day.